Some cats have mustaches. Some are famous for being grumpy. Others can even play the keyboard. And some get paid just to look cute. My cat doesn't do any of those things. This is Stevie. Her hobbies include chasing whatever I drop on the floor, getting lots of attention, interrupting me every time I'm busy. She's your average domestic suburban cat, except for one thing. Stevie is blind. I adopted Stevie 3 years ago from the Cat Hospital in Cork, a purpose-built veterinary hospital designed exclusively for cats. This is Claire, who runs the cat hospital. This is a picture of me the day I adopted Stevie. Everything in my house must stay in exactly the same place at all times. This includes her scratching post, litter box, basket, food bowl. This is her preferred diet. This is what I use to brush her. When I don't, this happens. Lint rollers are top of my shopping list every week. Anything black is a definite no. When I take her outside, I have to use one of these. It's a beautiful day outside, so we're gonna take Stevie out for a walk. There are an estimated 600 million cats in the world, and they need us just as much as we need them. Love your cat.